Hello guys, welcome in Unified IT Solution. Today we are going to discuss how to upload the CSV file as a lookup. So I have a CSV file which is already ready. So let me show you. This is price. So I have downloaded it from the Splunk. So you can see the first row of the CSV is a header of the file, product ID, product name, price, sale price and code. So we'll upload this CSV file and then I'll show you how you use at a lookup to this file. So I'll just close this. Yeah, so let's go to the Splunk. I'll log into the Splunk. Yeah, so since I have logged into the Splunk, now go to the setting, go to the lookup and lookup table. Click on the lookup table. So in lookup table right corner you will see the option new lookup file. Now which the first thing is destination app. So destination app is which app you want under which app you wanted to upload. Then choose the file name. So I'll go to the location. This is my location price. CSV name. I'll give the same to the name as a price. So if you'll try to upload this, let's give the proper name price. You'll try to upload this. I just click on save. So it don't allow you because we have to provide the extension. So these are the extension you can upload. CSV, you can also upload the gz csv dot kmg klm mmdb or mmdb dot gz. So gz means zip file. So I will, since I have the csv, I will append that csv and I will click on the up, save. So now my file is successfully uploaded under the Unified Library app. Let's search it here. So you can see the owner is the admin, app is Unified Library and it's private. So I will change the permission. I'll change it all apps. I will give the read to everyone. Admin can only edit this. Just I just click on it. So now see the permission has been become global. So it will be accessible to, you can accessible this CSV from any app, from anywhere into the Splunk any app. Now here you can see couple of options. You can move, if you want to move into different app, you can move it from here itself. If you want to delete, you can click on the delete button. So now I will check, I'll open a different window. I will show you how to access it. Now I will just put down to access the lookup file. There is a command input lookup and the name of your CSV file. So you can see it has been uploaded successfully and we are able to see the data. We have 17 record. The first column is code, price, product ID, product name and sale price. So I'm able to access this file and able to see all the records. Since I have appended .csv, so I have to use always .csv. But if you don't want to use this price.csv, you just wanted to put the price and you don't want to .csv every time. So what you can do is, I'll just go back to the previous screen and you get come back to the again lookups. You can click on lookups in the left corner and you have to create the definition. So if I'll click on the definition and I will click on new definition under this app directory. So I will give the name of the definition. Definition is nothing but a short name. So I just give the price and what is the base of the definition is file base and I will try to see our CSV. So price.csv is existing here and I can, these are the two options but this is not required as of now. We are not using time based lookup. Okay, I'll show you. If I click on this, it will ask number of field like name of the field, type, format, offset, max offset value, but I don't choose. If I click on advanced, again it will ask maximum match, match, default match, all these advanced option. I'll just click on the save button and it is saying successfully in successfully saved into the unified. So we have created the definition. Now you can access with the .csv. There's no issue, but you can also access it without CSV. Okay, I guess this is some issue. So what is the issue? I'll just click on price.csv kv store definition. The lookup price is invalid because I'll go back to this and I will try to search it. We'll see the what is the issue. So because of this is private as of now, that's why I'm not able to access. So I'll just click on it. All apps, I'll just give the same permission to CSV as CSV definition. I just click on save button, just click on save button, and I was not able to access because I was in search app. I will try to reload it, and you can see I can access it without .csv. So I we have created the lookup definition as well, and with the lookup definition also we are able to access. If you want to access with .csv, you can access it, and without CSV also you can access it. So this is how you can upload the CSV static file, and how you can create the definition, and and you can use it. Definition is nothing but you can give a name of, definition. It's a soft link of your CSV file, and that CSV file could you name, you can give anything. It's not specific, and you can create a number of definition. It don't You have to only stick with one. So you can create number of definition, and definition name could be anything. I have just given the same definition price because it should be related only. So I'll just give this same name. So guys, here we see how to upload the CSV file as a lookup, and how we created the definition. And so in next video I will show you how you can edit the existing lookup file, which app we have to download it, and how you can do it, how you'll add the new record if you don't want to re-upload it. So thank you guys. Kindly support, subscribe the channel, like the video, share the comment, and let us know if you wanted to see, if you have any doubt or any comment, any video you want me to create on any further topic. Thank you all.